Snakes. Vision of snakes differs the most from ours. They sense thermal signatures. Due to the infrared sensitive receptors on their snouts, some snakes can see the radiated heat of warm-blooded mammals. Cows. Cows don't see colors as clearly as humans. Fish. Fish eyes have ultraviolet receptors and a more spherical lens than we have. They see the world in green, red, and blue colors. Deep-sea fish can easily see in the dark. As for sharks, they can't distinguish colors at all, but they see much clearer under. Horses. There is a blind spot where horses can't see at all, directly in front of their faces. This is because of their eye location. Also, horses don't see as many colors as we do. Their world is mostly made up of grays, yellow. Insects. Flies have thousands of individual visual receptors that collectively create a broad field of vision. Also, they see the world in slow motion and can see ultraviolet light. Another insect, a bee, has an unusual vision as well. It's a surprising fact, but bees can't distinguish red color at all. For them, the color red. Birds. As for birds, they have something similar in their vision. Unlike humans, birds can see ultraviolet light. Kilometers. We might just see a field, but a falcon can focus on tiny mouse out there. A pigeon also has a unique vision. They can see all the tiny. Look at the world through rose-colored glasses. Sparrows can't distinguish green and blue colors because of the structure of their eyes. It appears to be dark blue. Rats. Rat vision is quite blurry, and they can't see red. They also see the world in slow motion. Frogs. Frogs can notice only moving objects. They can literally starve to death in the abundance of food if the food does not move. Frogs can also focus only on certain things, so they don't concentrate on what they don't need. Cats. Cats don't distinguish red and green shades, and their world is made up of brown. However, cats can see 6 times better than us in the dark. Their pupils can expand, adapting to any lighting. Dogs. Dogs can't see red and orange colors, but they clearly see blue and violet, as well as ultraviolet light. Moreover, they are able to differentiate 40 shades of gray. Chameleons. The eyes of chameleons can rotate in different directions independently, so they have a 360-degree field of vision. They see 2 images at the same time, one in the front and the other one behind. Have these facts impressed you? Let us know.
भैया ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, जो लाल कलर का बटन है उसके साथ आप कबड्डी खेलिए और जो बगल में घंटा है उसको पकड़ के आप हिला दीजिए। चलिए वीडियो देखने के लिए शुक्रिया।